Okay, so hey guys, no time for an intro, let's just start. Chaeyoung solo, shoot. Firecracker. I'm expecting something very uniquely Chaeyoung from all the small parts I've seen. It's very 80s so far. It's nice. These sets are cool. This already feels like one of her drawings. She has such a unique art style. Salute from the heart. Very 80s. I've been watching Karate Kid movies and Cobra Kai, so I'm very into this right now. This set is so cool. It's like, I don't know what it reminds me of. Kind of like a sandy texture. Yeah, that's definitely her art. The cake topper. It's so cool. Again, I can't stop saying it, she has such a unique art style. Wow, they made like mascots of her characters. So cool. Chaeyoung was definitely ready for a solo debut. Wow. This haircut is so cool. Damn. Okay. Oh, epilogue. Fireworks. Firecracker. Wow, that was awesome. You know, when I first heard of a Chaeyoung solo, I thought, you know, oh, this could be cool. I don't know if it will be my style. But, you know, I think she has something very unique in Twice that I think could really shine in her solo project. Something where with Chewy, I came in quite skeptical, and honestly, I still think that, you know, thinking back, I kind of forget that she had a solo debut, and, you know, it wasn't all that, I don't know, I don't feel like she was really ready for it, or didn't quite have her own unique style to it. But, you know, with Chaeyoung, I came in expecting something very unique and you know, quite a lot. In some ways, the song is less, you know, it's more poppy than I was expecting, but it's also something that's not just Twice. It's very 80s. It's definitely a solo song. It is unique in that sense. And I'm sure that the rest of the album has a lot more, you know, unique soundscapes, or more acoustic stuff maybe, or weird synths. That's kind of the stuff that I'm expecting. But just, you know, MV-wise and her stage presence, and I missed the Music Bank performance, but you know, I don't have much time these days. You know, I'm sure that she's, you know, rocking that right now. It's this shot right here where I just felt like, yeah, that's a solo artist. It's so cool to see. Yeah, awesome. Maybe I'll find some time later today to record a full album reaction. Let's see how many. It's like 9 songs. It's a full album, so. But who knows? Maybe if one of them is an intro and one of them is shoot, then Little Fantasy Volume 1. Avocado, I haven't listened to. Okay, it's 21 minutes, the entire album. We can do that. Oh, Kai is on one of the tracks. Downpour. I forgot about that. That's cool. Alright, and Shoot is one of them, so. And that's the longest song in there. 2 of the songs are 1 minute 50 and 1 minute 30. Damn, okay, well, I can do that. Okay, so look out for that. I'll try to get this edited as soon as possible and put it up, and yeah, it's gonna be a lot of editing today, so get ready for it. Alright, see you then. Bye. Cool stuff. Really like that.